In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy HTML site to Netlify. By the end, you'll have your static website live on the internet with just a few clicks, no command line or Git required. Before we begin, make sure your project folder is ready. It should contain your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets with an index.html file at the top level of that folder. Netlify looks for that index.html to serve your homepage, so keep it in the root, not buried inside subfolders. Also, check that your file paths are relative and that file names match exactly, including capitalization. First, open your browser and go to netlify.com. You'll need to be signed in to see your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Projects. This is where Netlify organizes your sites and deployments, and it's the jumping off point for creating something new. At the top right of the projects page, click the Add New Project dropdown. You'll see options for connecting to a repository, but since we're keeping it simple, we're going to do a one-time no-git upload. From that menu, choose Deploy Manually. This option is perfect for static HTML sites or quick prototypes because you don't have to set up any pipelines or configuration files. You'll land on a screen that asks for your site files. Drag your entire project folder from your computer and drop it into the upload area. Don't drag just the individual files, drop the folder that contains index.html and all supporting assets like images, styles, and scripts. If dragging and dropping isn't convenient, you can click the Browse to Upload button and select your project folder that way. Either method works exactly the same. Once you upload, Netlify immediately begins processing your site. For plain HTML, there's no build step, so this usually takes just a moment. You'll see a status indicator, and then your site will be live on a generated Netlify URL. If anything looks off, like missing images or broken styles, double check that your paths are correct and that every referenced file is included in the folder you uploaded. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you need to update the site, simply repeat the same manual deploy by dragging and dropping the updated folder. Netlify will replace the files and refresh the live version. Keep your folder organized and lightweight for faster uploads, and avoid unusual characters in file names to prevent URL or case sensitivity issues. That's it. You've just deployed your HTML site to Netlify using a simple manual upload.